Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're gonna make chicken Alfredo, but not your regular basic ass chicken Alfredo. We're going to quite literally spice it up and make it Cajun chicken Alfredo. So take a second, pause the screen, grab all of this fun stuff that you're gonna need, and let's just get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is fully cook this chicken with all of this fun seasoning. We got the garlic powder, the Slap Your Mama. Once your chicken is partially cooked, you add in your andouille sausage. Can we just take a minute to look at this beautiful plate? I could just eat this like on its own. But I can't. I promise you chicken Alfredo. We're making a chicken Alfredo. Get a little oil back in that pan, just a tiny bit so your butter doesn't burn. Same pan we just used, no need to clean it out. All that flavor is coming into our sauce. Okay, so once your onions have crystallized and that garlic is super fragrant, you're going in with your heavy cream. You let that boil, and then you hit it with the Parmesan. And you absolutely need to make sure it's none of that grated quote unquote stuff. Fresh Parmesan, please. Nothing but the best in our recipes. So you stir it up a little bit, make sure it gets nice and melted. And then once that's good, toss in your parsley and we are done. You throw it all together, you serve it on a plate. This meal is definitely not for those that are trying to watch their diet or their carb intake, as you can see. But my keto friends, you can make this just zucchini noodles. I don't know what to tell you. Make this your cheat meal when you're trying to carb load. This is the most delicious way to do it. So shout out to my sister for requesting this. Now I made you a video on how to make it so you can make it yourself, sweetheart. I want you guys to let me know what you want to see next. Hit me up. Let me know if you're gonna try this. If you did try it, definitely tag me. Facebook, Instagram, tweet me if you wanna. I'm gonna leave now so I can stuff my face. Delicious.